25 years after it started service in the U.S. Air Force, the F-22 Raptor is expected to get some important improvements to preserve its advantage over future opponents. Some of these changes were released last week in the fiscal year 23 budget proposal papers and in official artwork posted by Gen Mark Kelly, the commander of Air Combat Command, in a post commemorating the 15th anniversary of the approval of the first F-22 flying demonstration. In the artwork, we can see 3 Raptors loaded with new stealthy external fuel tanks, 2 underwing faceted pods, and a new unknown air-to-air missile, but there are even more novelties in the documents, which unveils a previously undisclosed relationship between the F-22 and the development of the Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, the system of systems which includes the first Air Force's 6th-gen fighter aircraft. Let's now review what we know about the upgrades that have been released so far. The 2 pods fitted beneath the outer underwing hardpoints have previously been detected during flight testing on an F-22 at the Air Force's Plant 42 facility in Palmdale, California, in February. It is not known yet what type of systems are located inside the 2 pods. One of the possibilities is this being a new electronic warfare (EW) pod, particularly created for the Raptor in order not to drastically decrease its radar cross-section (RCS). The F-22 is currently equipped with very sophisticated EW systems, but considering the ever-evolving EW environment, it would be worth to pay a tiny portion of the Raptor's low observability for additional advanced capabilities. Also, the pod would offer a simpler and less expensive way to swiftly install new capabilities on the aircraft as they became available. One of the 2 pods looks to contain a faceted aperture for a sensor of some type, potentially for an infrared search and track system, IRST, as postulated also by the War Zone. This sort of sensor was initially among the several systems being developed for the Advanced Tactical Fighter program, but it was eventually scrapped. The Air Force, however, is currently seeking again to obtain this capability for the Raptor, as demonstrated in Small Business Innovation Research (SBIR) paperwork that has been just released. The F-22 Program Office is seeking unique hardware and software solutions that enable long-range infrared sensing and object detection capabilities. If a contractor is able to build a product that satisfies the need, the Air Force will study it, with the objective of incorporating it on the fighter. The inclusion of the F-22 of an IRST system like the F-35's Electro-Optical Targeting System, EOTS, would need large and expensive changes to the airframe, therefore a podded option appears the most feasible choice. The inclusion of an internal IRST sensor on the Raptor was likewise regarded not practicable by Lockheed Martin some years ago.